That's a good one.
Welcome everyone. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, and this is the Cluster API Carpenter Feature Group meeting. We're a sub-project of Kubernetes SIGs, and we follow their meeting guidelines. But it's just Julio and I today, so we probably don't need to enumerate them.
Oh,
So
good.
I'm going to share my screen here if I can. I got to make sure not to pick the wrong window. Okay, so
Unless it's good stuff. And use some content.
yeah, I
What
got
you
a
got
lot.
there?
I've got some other windows open and I didn't want to grab the wrong one where I'm working on a bug or something. Anyways, okay. So um I only had one topic for today. Let's see, I guess I could do a little bookkeeping here though. Like copy that, put that there. Um so I fixed the PR that we talked about last time. Uh and I could use some reviews now getting to the next point. And if you wanted to, so what I'm doing on this PR is, and I don't think this should be holded anymore. So this PR is updating the dependencies for Carpenter to 1.0, 1.9, and Kubernetes to 1.31. We're a little bit behind in that Cluster API, I think, is about to or has released version 1.10 that is synced to Kubernetes 1.32. And I don't know, I think Carpenter may be updated as well. Let's look at that. So probably after we get this update in, we'll want to do another update as well. And so what I was going to say, Julio, is if you wanted to like make a PR or get involved in something, you could kind of review the work
Totally.
I've done and then maybe propose the next update if you wanted to. I'm just looking here to see, yeah, Carpenter's already up to 1.3.0. And I have a feeling they're updated to Kubernetes 1.32. So we're going to need another update. We need to get this update merged, and then we'll need to do another
Mhm.
update after it. So if you wanted to get into doing some development
Oh,
work here, yeah, you could
yeah,
certainly
sure.
make the next update after this one.
Sure. Yeah, sounds great.
Awesome.
I'll try to run the thing, though I didn't actually run it yet. Is there like a guide here for, do we have any kind of documentation?
Uh, yeah, I would say so it's a little bit difficult at the moment, right? Like if you can set up Cluster API, you can run
Yeah,
Carpenter on top of it, right? You should be able to
that
run,
I can do, yeah.
yeah. So if you get a cluster running Cluster API and then you put the Carpenter on top of it, you run the Carpenter like in the same namespace as the Cluster API objects, it should be able to see them and you should be able to set it up. Um,
Well,
so I would say try that out. And if that doesn't work, then maybe we need to improve our documentation or something. But I would say, yeah, try that
mm,
out. See if you can get to that point, and then we could go from there and work on kind of the next steps.
cool. I'll give it a try, yeah.
Awesome.
And perhaps I can document it a little bit more. Yes. Cool. Let's see how this goes. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good call out on the docs too. I was just going to look quickly and say like, what? I wonder what it looks like currently.
Yeah, there's a getting started, uh, but the video there is from August. So,
Yeah, it's a little old.
yeah, you probably chocolate something.
These instructions should still work though. So I would say try to follow this, and if it doesn't work, like yeah, open some bugs or something at the least, you know.
Deal.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Cool. All
Uh,
right then.
so that was all I wanted to talk about. Did you have any questions or comments or topics you wanted to bring up?
No, all good. Again, glad to see this moving forward. Saw the tickets going up. Do you know? I still think it's a bit crazy to release this like that, but that's the way you do it, so let's do it.
Yeah, I think it's just we're slow at the moment, and we need to we need to pick up some speed and maybe put out more information to make it easier to consume this.
Yeah, totally agree. Yeah,
But
I'll
right
be
now it's
focusing on
just a
that.
couple of us, right? So we
Yeah,
if we keep it updated, we can at least keep it useful, right? We can keep it so
yeah,
people can continue to use it with the current versions. And I think right now that's got to be our focus, right? Just keep it
totally.
updated so people can play with it. And then as we get time, we can go back in and do more of these experiments and try to like fix things and whatnot. Because I think that we still need to learn more about how to use it and everything, you know?
Well, to be honest, I just got the dev environment for copy working with Tilt and all. I'll try to add this on top
Yeah,
and
that'd be awesome.
see
Yeah, for
where it
sure.
goes. Yeah. Cool,
All right.
Michael.
Well,
Have a great day, bro.
yeah, you too. I'll see you next time.
See ya.
Thanks, Julio.
Bye. No
Later.
worries.